God, I'm so tired of answering these questions that have been thrown across every single day. Which projector to buy in 2023? Whether I should go for a laser projector, I should go for a lamp projector, or I should go for a LED projector. And to make it easy for all of you, because I know this question is popping out in your heads too, I am making this video wherein we are going to break all the facts, and I'm going to keep it very quick and in a very rapid fire manner, because we are just going to talk about the main features that are observed in any projector and which projector ranks first in that, ranks second in that, and ranks third in that. So let us try and find it out very quickly. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theater wale bhaiya. And as we all know, since last 9 years we have been doing only home theater design and delivery across India. And while doing all of this, we realized that a lot of people need a lot of answers. They don't know what system to buy, they don't know what projector to buy, they don't know what speakers to buy. And for all that reasons, we thought of starting this channel so that we cater to the Indian requirements of the home theater or any home technology space. And in case you have found out valuable in our old videos or even in this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that we both can stay connected. And at the same time, towards the end of this video, I am also going to share with you one link, which is like our master link, which is going to help you design one of the best home theater solutions. Now, one of the very important factors while selecting a projector is obviously the brightness. Now, let us understand that amongst these three types of projector, which has got the best light or the brightness output. Obviously, at the first rank, we have got the latest technology, which is the laser projector. At the second rank, I would say the lamp and the LED based projectors would share the spot very much on the similar range, because LED has got a single light source, but lamp projectors are also becoming very popular because of the high lumens output that they carry. So there are lamp based projectors which can go up to 5 to 7,000 lumens as well in the commercial application, and in the home we have seen them go up to 4,000 or 3,500 lumens. So lamp and LED would stand together, but laser will obviously be at number one position when it comes to brightness. The second important factor while selecting a projector amongst these three types is the color performance. Now, we all know that home theater without a nice colorful picture is like just staring out to a black wall or a white wall. And for that reason, the selection of projector is very crucial based upon the color performance of it. Now, laser is going to have a very premium color output, but at the same time, lamp and LED projectors are not going to be very bad either. So with regards to the color performance, the laser, lamp and LED will stand together. The only benefit of laser projectors is that the color gamut which they would have in terms of REC 709 or BT 2020, it would have a little edge over the other two parts, which is the lamp and the LED part. The third parameter is quick turn on or turn off time period. Now, why is this important? Well, what happens is when you turn on a projector, if it takes more than 10-15 seconds to even just turn on and give an image on the screen, it becomes boring to wait in that room, right? It's very frustrating. I am sure those of you who are using lamp-based projectors will agree with me, because lamp bulbs take a lot of time to get fully lit, and at the same time when you turn them off, it takes time to even go back to zero. And for that reason, the lamp projectors are amongst one of the worst performers when it comes to quick turnaround time, and the laser and the LED projector will be always the faster ones. Next, let us talk about lifespan. A projector lifespan is dependent upon the light source. When it comes to lamp, obviously the lifespan of any projector is not going to be beyond 10,000 hours on economy mode, which we have started seeing recently, because until few decades ago it was just 1,000 to 4,000, 5,000 hours. Even today there are few projectors which has got very less lamp life, which is 4,000, 5,000 hours. But in case if you feel that you need more than that, then laser and LED projectors can go up to 20,000 hours or 30,000 hours. So laser and LED will win the game here when it comes to lifespan of any projector, and the lamp one will come at last. The next parameter is more towards the sustainability, or to the better earth that we all are living today. Now, in the lamp-based projectors work on mercury bulbs. Now, these lamp-based projectors are not going to be environment friendly. So that is where their impact on earth is like one of the worst performers. But at the same time, a laser and LED source cannot impact earth in that kind of manner as much as the lamp, so they would win on a better terms. The next aspect is paisa. Now when I'm talking about paisa, I'm meaning the upfront cost to buy these projectors. Which one according to you would be cheaper one? Let me know in the comments, because I'm going to answer that after the next point. Now when it comes to a theater room or a theater room performance for any projector, obviously the latest is always the best, right? So laser will always be the best when it comes to a theater room performance, but at the same time, compared to LED, lamp will always be higher. So laser, lamp, and then LED projector, that's how the ranking would be for a home theater performance projector amongst all these three. Now coming back to the upfront cost, obviously laser projectors are going to be one of the most expensive projectors because of their technology. The lamp is going to be the cheapest of all, and LED is going to be in the middle. So that's how the upfront cost of all these three types of projectors will be. Now when it comes to portability as a feature in a projector, a lamp-based projector will rank equally well with an LED projector, but a laser projector in portability will always be very, very expensive, and I would not rank it in that same level. It would be a rank below that. Well, we just saw that how the upfront cost for a laser projector is high. Similarly, the after-sale service cost for a laser projector is also going to be high, whereas the lamp-based projectors will always have low cost because the bulbs today are going to be available at a very, very minute cost compared to the projector cost, whereas the laser projectors after-sale service cost can be almost 1/3 of the projector cost. Now, the warranties are more on the LED and the laser projectors. They can be a little less in the lamp-based projectors. Okay, I'm sure by now you all would still have the thoughts of तन्मय ये सब तो ठीक है भाई, बट घर में लेना कौन सा है प्रोजेक्टर, मेरे लिविंग रूम के लिए, बेडरूम के लिए या थिएटर रूम के लिए? वेल, उसके लिए आई हैव गॉट यू कवर्ड विथ ओनली 3 parameters that I want all of you to ponder over. Now these 3 parameters, first very important is the cost. Understand the budget that you have allotted for the entire home theater system. In that, if you feel laser projectors are economical or can be fitted into, go for it. If you're low on the budget, then don't focus on the laser projectors, go for a lamp projector because that's an easy investment. I'm sure that by now this cost factor must have answered some of your questions. If not, let us look at the second parameter. The second parameter is the application. Now what do I mean by application? Well, if your application is portability, simply go for a LED projector. If your application is a dedicated install projector, that is where you can think between a laser or a lamp projector. Another factor when it comes to application is the room that you're fitting it into. If the room is very, very bright, you will have to buy a laser projector which can give more brightness on the screen compared to a lamp projector. If we are looking at a theater room and the room is dark, then you can definitely think about a lamp-based projector and not probably a laser projector. This is about the application. The third parameter, which is the usage. Now this is very, very important. Most of the people that I'm talking to in our T20 conversations, I see them being clueless about how much time are they going to spend in this theater room or with this home theater system. So first try and identify that whether this projector is your primary source of viewing in the home. If yes, then you definitely need to go for a LED or a laser projector which has got a longer lifespan. But in case your application or your usage is not going to be more than once a week or twice a month, then no point spending that extra amount as an upfront cost on a laser or a LED projector. It's better to go for a lamp-based projector. So your usage is what you would be knowing, not the world. So make sure to answer these 3 questions to yourself and then decide which projector you need to buy. So to sum up, cost, application and usage are the 3 parameters that you need to ask yourself to decide which projector out of the laser, lamp and LED projector you need to buy. Okay, before we move on to the final part of it, please understand that you cannot change the light source of your existing projector. So in case you are carrying a lamp projector and you are like, okay, now let me change the lamp source to a laser source or a LED source, you cannot do that. It's the manufacturer who has already given the light source, and a lamp can only be replaced by lamp, an LED can be replaced by LED, and a laser source can only be replaced by a laser source of the same brand, same company. So make sure to follow this. Do not go into an exercise wherein okay, now remove the lamp and put a laser source. ये बिल्कुल मत करना. और दूसरी चीज़, आपका प्रोजेक्टर कितना साल चलने वाला है ये आप सोच के रहना. बिकॉज एन एवरेज प्रोजेक्टर्स रिप्लेसमेंट साइकिल इन द इंडियन होम्स और अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड हैज़ नॉट बीन more than 7 to 10 years. Because the technology keeps changing, So make sure to invest with that particular thought process or with that particular time frame. And in case you found this video valuable already and have come to a decision, then don't forget to hit the like button so that YouTube will share this video with more people who are in a space just like you and confused as to which projector to buy. And coming to the best home theater design tool, I am going to share that link in the description as well as above. So make sure to watch that or click that and fill out the form so that you get clarity as to what you need. And at the same time, me and my team will help you design some of the best home theater solutions which are very optimum. And now don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Thank you.